Start.
Hello guys, it's me, Bubbles here. And today we are this open Adobe Awesome. Okay. Guys, this is easy. I'm going to poke my nail. Hold on, guys.
Do you need some help?
Yeah, I need.
Okay.
Okay, what did we get? Oh, one of the memos. This is what I wanted. Let's see what this gets on the Swiss memo. This little memo gets a 9. Let's see.
He gets a 9 on the squish meter.
Uh-huh.
Can you show everybody what Nemo looks like?
Memo! So this Memo.
All right. Tell everybody bye.
Oh,
Go ahead.
on the Swiss memo, he gets a 10.
A 10!
Yay! He gets a 10.
Say bye.
Bye.